तर नआउनु न उहाँ
यही बस्छ सबै यही बस्छौँ हामी जस्ट विस गर्छौँ यहीँ बसेर ल कि अगाडिबाट गर्ने आउनु अगाडि सबै यता आउनु सबै यता अगाडि
Smile.
एउटा
Smile.
एकदम भुँडी फेरि गर्नु
Smile.
अहिले एकछिन हुँदिरहेको ल we always pray to the God for our Pastor Ellen and Pastor Ron's long life. And we wish you, we always pray for you, both of you and your family, because you love us, you take care of us, and we know your love is always with us. So our prayer always is for you and for Pastor Ellen and for the family. So we gonna wish 49th anniversary. Okay, before we have to down, right? Yes. Okay. सबैले ह्याप्पी एनिभर्सरी भन्ने ल विश यु ल 1 2 3 गो ह्याप्पी एनिभर्सरी Okay. Maybe we have some gift. Where is flower?
Yes.
ल अझ खास गर्ने आमाले बालाई कविता सेम केक दावन हामीले भन्दा उनीहरूले
Yes, yes. Okay.
ल अब दादाबाट स्टार्ट गरौँ
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. My goodness. Thank you so much. Very, very much. Oh my goodness.